Welcome to Odisha OAV Masanimunda Kesinga, presenting you yet another amazing video on fire safety and prevention program conducted by Fire Department Kesinga. On 29th of November, the Fire Department of Kesinga paid a visit to our school with the purpose of inculcating some knowledge on fire and prevention. They showcased several skills and techniques in order to prevent fire and save people from it. The Fire Department started the program with their first technique, which is called the chair knot technique. Through this, a person whose body is right now inoperational due to certain reasons can be brought down all the way from some upper part of the building with the help of a rope, as demonstrated in the video. When classroom knowledge sees itself through practical application, this should be aptly called the right purpose of education. After the chair knot technique, now the personnels are getting ready for the second technique, that is, how to rescue someone who is trapped in some upper part of the building with the help of a ladder. The firefighters are highly trained people. Before they execute any such operations, they are given quality and rigorous training. Students are not advised to practice this at home at all because this could be seriously risky.
आम कि भाव में सुरक्षित जगह को आने जड़े लोक मात्र एकुटिया अच्छा कि भाव में जड़े लोक को उठे टाणी सुरक्षित भाव में अच्छे.
The officer explains a scenario where a vehicle has met with an accident. People are injured and unconscious, where you are the only person to rescue them. Even though the person you are going to lift on your shoulder is heavier than you, using this technique, you will be effortlessly be able to lift him up.
जड़े लोक आराम से जन को उठे न ग्राउंड में तो आप रेस्क्यू करेंगे जड़े एकुटिया लोक ये सांगे ना देखिए लोक गुड़ा छटफट होमती कौन करेंगे सुरक्षित स्थान को रास्ता उपरू गोटे रास्ता तले गाड़ी गोटे पड़ी रास्ता उपरू आने तो कौन गाड़ी लोड करेंगे.
Further, the officer explains how using a carbon dioxide fire extinguisher, a fire can be put out. After giving necessary instructions about how to use this extinguisher, they make a little fire using petrol and demonstrate us how to put out such fire.
देख CO2 अंगारकाम्ल द्वारा किपरि निआ लेवा होछि पिला माने जे इंटरेस्टेड अछन्ते आसो निजे प्रैक्टिकल करा.
It is a universally accepted fact that the hands-on experience is always the best kind of experience. After a faculty was given a chance to use the knowledge received in the practical way, now volunteers were called from the student side, and 2 students showed up to show what they have learned. In the olden days, early men needed 2 stones to ignite fire. But in the present scenario, such kind of fire should be ignited within these young minds and should never be put out for the cause of humanity.